There's a lot to consider when planning your estate, with the most important being who will receive your assets after your demise. The two terms often linked to estate planning are next of kin and beneficiary, which many people use interchangeably. However, while they are similar, it is imperative to understand and identify the legal differences between them. A beneficiary inherits the intended portion of a will, trust, or life insurance policy once the court grants probate, meaning the court officially recognizes the validity of the will. A beneficiary can be an individual who is a family member or friend, an organization like a charity, or an educational institution. On the other hand, a next of kin is an immediate close family member, a spouse or parent, who is often the first point of contact for urgent matters. They make important medical decisions like providing consent for medical procedures such as organ donation. Unless they are named the healthcare proxy or have a healthcare power of attorney, a beneficiary does not have the legal authority to make medical decisions on behalf of the owner of the estate. A next of kin does not automatically qualify to inherit the deceased person's estate. However, they may be entitled to the estate if the deceased included them in their will or trust. They might also have access to the estate if the deceased appointed them as the executor or administrator of their estate. The next of kin is responsible for the smooth transition after the demise by notifying the deceased loved ones and associates. If the next of kin was named administrator of the estate, they have to identify the deceased assets and apply for a probate grant. In case the deceased had any debt, the next of kin is legally obligated to settle it using the assets in the estate. As the administrator, they are also mandated to distribute the assets and, depending on the total value of the estate, pay estate taxes. When choosing a next of kin, ensure it's a person you trust to make decisions that are in your best interest. Also, consult with a legal professional for a clear understanding of who is legally considered a next of kin. Regularly update your will or trust to ensure that your estate plan is compliant with the latest legal standards. This will also ensure that no aspect is overlooked or misunderstood.